Oil changes are a crucial part of engine maintenance, but the time and space needed to do them correctly isn't always readily available. So let's clean up the gunk and get pulled into this week's feature product, the 12-volt oil extraction pump from Performance Tool. This compact and lightweight pump can be taken anywhere an engine needs its oil changed, from cars and motorcycles to RVs and boats. All it requires is a connection to the vehicle's battery, inserting the extraction hose into the engine's oil reservoir, which can be achieved going through the dipstick tube, and finally, once the drainage hose is securely placed into an oil pan or empty container, flip the switch and watch the oil get pulled right out of the engine. The moment the pump fires up, it begins a self-priming process, which allows it to evacuate all the air within the suction line, along with its motor. This is needed to help pull the liquid from a level below the intake hose and, with the help of gravity, create a siphon effect to get the oil up and out of the reservoir and into the drainage pan. Running off of 12 volts, this 5 amp DC pump has an approximate speed of 1400 revolutions per minute, which allows it to remove up to 3 quarts of warm used oil per minute. Now, we're mentioning that the oil needs to be warm because any oil below the 40 to 50 degrees Celsius temperature range will be thicker and cause the pump to work slower during the extraction process. No longer having to get under a truck for a quick and dirty oil change sounds pretty nice, doesn't it? And all thanks to this week's feature product, the 12-volt oil extraction pump from Performance Tool. What's the worst oil change you've experienced? Let's hear about it in the comments below. And don't forget to follow for more 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.